Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix notifications not working issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 update. So guys, as you all know, Apple has officially released the iOS 18 beta version 1. But after updating to it, many of you are complaining about that you are facing an issue of notifications. That your iPhone's notifications are not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will tell you how to fix notifications not working issue on iPhone after iOS 18 beta version update. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to check your notification settings. First, make sure the notifications are enabled for the specific app you're having trouble with. You have to go to the settings on your iPhone, then scroll down until you see notification, tap on it. Now go to the specific app which is causing the issue and you have to make sure that the allow notifications are enabled. And you can also customize the notification settings here. After this, then you have to do is simply check your do not disturb mode. Verify that your iPhone is not in do not disturb mode, as this will silence all notifications. You can check by looking for the do not disturb mode on your control center. After this, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to the general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply check your background app refresh. Some apps may require background app refresh to be enabled in order to receive notification properly. So you have to make sure that the background app refresh is enabled on your iPhone. To enable it, you have to go to the general on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on background app refresh. Again tap on it and you have to make sure that the Wi-Fi and cellular data is selected. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply go to the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix notifications not working issue on your iPhones after iOS 18 beta version update. If this video helps you, then be sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.